Ah. Oh my gosh, you've got to literally be kidding me. Like, This is the result of a perm rod set that I did on freshly washed hair 2 weeks ago. I retwisted my edges a little bit, but that retwist is practically non-existent at this point. I'm going to be 2-strand twisting my hair. I have not 2-strand twisted my hair in over a year now. There's no real reason for me doing this hairstyle except that I have PTO this week. I have the time to do this hairstyle. It's very funny how I'm always saying that I don't have the energy to do my hair, but proceeds to do a very labor-intensive hairstyle on her head. This video could also be a tutorial for those of y'all who don't know how to 2-strand twist your hair. I know there are a million of videos on YouTube on 2-strand twist on your locks, but I wanted to recreate the video that I did many years ago. I'll show you guys what my hair looks like up close. Super dirty. I mean, I don't want to show you guys like all the craziness, but you know. I do want to say before I start to use this gel in my hair today, I'm going to put it in the fridge. I like keeping this gel in the fridge prior to me using it because it really just helps with maintaining the thickness of the gel. It's really cold here in New York, so the heat is blasting in my house, and in return the gel like becomes really liquidy. So while I'm washing my hair, I'm just going to keep this in the fridge for a little bit. If you watched my last video, I've been using this now. Again, when I use this on my hair, I'm just going to apply a little bit of it to my scalp to help with my dandruff issue that I've been having. I don't have an update for you guys on that yet because I really haven't been consistent with my hair care routine, but I will provide you guys with an update when I get the chance on my scalp issue. This isn't necessary for me to use. I'm just trying to finish it because I don't have a lot left. I will be applying the scalp lotion after I wash my hair, just to the problematic areas. My problematic areas are my temples and the front part of my head. As you can tell by my videos, I am in possession of many different types of hair oil. The reason? There is no reason. When I'm in the beauty supply store, I tend to want to try different things, so I realized that I had this left over. As I looked on the table beside me, I have a little bit of the same product left over, so we're just gonna try to make use of what I have and just finish these products. I colored my hair last time, but I just feel like the red isn't as prominent in my locks as it used to be. It could be for many reasons. Maybe it's because I'm not using the same combination of colors that I used to use. I always used to use paprika, but I stopped using paprika. But I think paprika's the girl. Paprika's what I should be using. But then also, you know, I've been using the Selsum Blue, and I really believe that the Selsum Blue will strip the color out of my hair. I feel like these are the factors that are playing a role with my color just not being as strong as it used to be. And then on top of that, my roots aren't bleached, so I think my hair is looking just a bit darker than what I'm used to. So I want to try putting this paprika on my hair, and hopefully that will give my hair some color. I'm just gonna take this paprika and just I stopped using paprika because I wanted a brighter type of red. But it's actually funny because I think paprika is the color for me, and it's the color that really will make my red stand out after some time has passed. Like, I'll put this on my locks and then, you know, I'll wash it and the dye will fade out a little bit, but the dye will fade out to a red that's really pretty. And I think paprika is really gonna do that for me. It did it for me in the past, so why not continue doing what works? Oh my gosh, you've got to literally be kidding me. Like, okay, let's try this again. That took a lot out of me. Oh my goodness. I've washed my hair, just did a hot oil treatment. This is what my hair looks like. Before I use these rubber bands, I like to coat them in oil, mainly because I know that rubber bands can cause breakage in your hair. Well, your loose natural hair, so I don't see why locks would be any different. It's 6:50 p.m. I'm pretty much basically done with my hair. I'm going to take the rest of my locks and twist them this way. Prior to starting the 2-strand twist, I make sure my roots are oiled, followed by me adding gel to the roots for the retwist. I then begin to retwist my locks counterclockwise. Once completed, I begin to twist the locks against each other. It's important to note that you should continue to twist your locks counterclockwise as you are twisting your locks down all the way through to the bottom to ensure that they do not unravel once you complete your twist. I hope this makes sense. This is the back of my hair. Hair video, but I figured I'd show you guys what I'm rocking indoors today because I think it's super cute. And no one asked for this, but I'm gonna put this in the video anyway. So we have this really chunky orange sweater that I got from ASOS. I bought it on sale. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I will put it in the description box. And then for bottoms, I have these high-waisted Levi jeans. You guys know how I feel about high-waisted jeans. I hate low-rise jeans. I have a really short torso but really long legs, so high-waisted jeans are like godsend for me, and I tend to wear a lot of cropped sweaters or cropped tops because it just fits my body type better. I could wear low-rise jeans, but how do you bend down without having your just exposed to the entire world? I don't know. So this is the final look. I'm really feeling this hairstyle. I'll insert a clip of how my hair used to look like when I would implement this hairstyle. At this point, I was 3 years into the lock game, still suffering from a lot of shrinkage and a lot of acne scarring. I'm sure many of you have noticed that my acne has improved, and I do plan on creating a skin journey video for you all to watch, as I'm sure many young people have suffered from similar issues I faced with my skin. The first time I ever attempted to do 2-strand twist on my baby locks, it took me about 1 hour to do, and I was so impressed with myself and I was so proud. I started my hair at 11 a.m. I didn't finish until 7 p.m. and I must say, as a black girl, doing your hair is really a true test of your mental and physical stamina. I do want to mention a couple of factors that motivated me to do my hair. One of the factors being that I did have a generous time off from work, and that although I am taking all day to do my hair, I would have the next day to, you know, recuperate. Two, there was this comment. I'll insert their comment right now. Yeah, this comment made me realize I am saving a lot of money, and it is a day that's taken out from me, but at the end of the day, this is my hair, this is my health, and this is my hygiene. So if I can continue to save the money by me doing my hair, I'm going to continue doing that. This time around, it didn't feel as bad for me. One of the ways that I helped to cope with me doing my hair for a long period of time is that I didn't lock myself in the bathroom. I think that's where I slip up. I lock myself in the bathroom to do my hair all day, and then I just get really exhausted, really annoyed with myself. So what I did this time, I was communicating with other people in my household instead of just isolating myself to do my hair for 10 hours, and I ate. I think that's the hack. I need to schedule at least a 30 to 45-minute break while doing my hair. I need to keep myself entertained. And I also need to interact and leave that space. Just give myself some fresh air, and then I'm able to do it. What really prompted me to do this hairstyle was that, as I previously mentioned, locksmithing is something that's very important to me, and because I don't retwist my hair as often as I used to, my new growth can be a bit much at times. I really like the parting for the most part of my locks. I say for the most part because I already told you guys how I felt about the center part going down my hair, but I really like the parting for the most part, and I would like to maintain that parting. So it's really important to me that when I do have excessive new growth, I'm able to retwist that new growth into my lock so everything is staying uniform. My new growth can be a bit much, so sometimes it's kind of hard to retwist all of that new growth into my lock at one time. Not only that, when I do a full retwist, after a couple days pass, my roots do get frizzy, and then it's like, dang, I spent such a long time doing my hair trying to get that new growth into my lock, and it's gone. By doing the 2-strand twist, my roots are retwisted and intertwined onto one another, so when my hair is in this hairstyle, I am able to maintain a retwist for a really long time. Not only that, when I do take out the 2-strand twist, I get a second hairstyle, which is a twist out. And on top of that, the locks are just so used to being twisted against each other that my new growth is really able to stay intact. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to experience that again this time around. The point of doing the 2-strand twist to the right of my head is because when I do wear this hairstyle, I tend to wear my hair in like a low ponytail. And because I do wear my hair in this low ponytail, I figured I might as well retwist my hair going in the direction that I'll be styling it most often. So yeah, really feeling having my hair retwisted to the side. I really hope that I will be able to get that long lasting retwist because my hair is in 2-strand twist. Typically when I would do 2-strand twist on my hair, I would wear my hair in the 2-strand twist for about 2 weeks, and then after that I would wear a twist out for about 1 to 2 weeks. So in all total, this hairstyle lasts me about 4 weeks, which is great. For those of you who need to wash their hair once every 2 weeks, you can definitely wash these twists. I've done that before when I first started my lock journey. I did 2-strand twist on my trip with my family, and I was swimming and stuff, so when I was done swimming I would just wash my hair, and it all worked out. Everything stayed in place. So it's kind of like having box braids, if you will. Really feeling the twist. I really like them a lot. I haven't worn this hairstyle in a while, and I really like this length. I feel like it's doing things for me, guys. And I also feel like the colored rubber bands at the ends of the 2-strand twist adds like a cute, unique touch. That's pretty much all that I have for my video thus far. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the comments and feedback. The support and the feedback is one of the reasons why I continue to make these YouTube videos. But yes, like, comment, subscribe, continue to social distance, continue to stay safe and wash your hands, and I'll catch you in the next one.